Hello, Application Workshop. Present to teacher César Augusto Lara Sánchez. Pupil jeinner Andrés Jiménez. Lesson plan. 6th grade English area. The teacher jeinner Andrés Jiménez. Start at 25 of March. Finish that 20 of March. Class development time 3 hours. School meet or the teacher method. Active method. When you have the participation of the student and the same method. Activities are those that achieve the motivation of the student. All the teaching can become active as the teacher becomes his learning coach. This method allows now as active pedagogy allows students to be aware of their knowledge, allow autonomy work. The teacher is only a guide, only the student to explore investigation, deduce, creative, doubt, etc. is based on down that is less theoretic and more participative as goes against the traditional methodology. The student is the center of the teaching learning process. Objectives. Identification of adjectives in English and grammar oral. 2. Acquire new vocabulary. 3. And soon unfold the commitments in the English are. Result. A result can be seen that students learn new vocabulary. They also correct and identify increasing regularness with learning. Methodology. Divides into moments. Exploration of previous noun and read doors motivation. Activities. How do you know about adjectives when and now they are used and types of example? Duration of each activity, prolonged moment of 20 minutes. Criteria to evaluation. 1. Class participation. 2. Delivery of paper and writing assignment. 3. Exhibition and assistances. 4. Evaluation. Not necessary to identify the learning path of each student. Thank you all for your attention. I hope to see you now next. Thank you very much. Bye.